name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. We're so excited to have every single one of you here. Today we are here with another super fun Tuesday tag. This tag was created by Sandy over at Let's Get Fit with Sandy, so big thank you to Sandy for designing this tag for us. And then we were tagged by Roy over at Recipes with Roy. So again, big thanks to Roy for always thinking of us. I will link both of their channels down below in the description, so please make sure you go check them out. All right, let's go ahead and get started.
All right, question number 1. Read the book or watch the movie?
I would give anything to have time to read the book, but right now it's, if you can get me to sit down, watch the movie.
Watch the movie.
Yeah.
That's simple. Yep. All right, question number 2. Be your first love's second choice or your second love's first choice? That's too much math.
What?
See,
So,
first, second, third,
be my first love.
cousin?
What?
It says be your first love's second choice or your second love's first choice.
I don't know.
So,
I would want to be somebody's first choice. I don't want to be secondhand Jen.
yeah, I would say the same. I would want to be somebody's first choice. So I guess that means
Well, you're going to be highly disappointed then.
see what I broke with? See what? And you wonder why I am the way I am.
I don't wonder anything. I can help it. You'll know how we are.
Yeah. All right.
Next.
Yes, please. Gosh. See the future or change the past?
Change the past, 100%.
Yeah, I would say change the past.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. It's easy enough. How about...
Like I said, second choice. Sandy set these up. I don't know. I'm just kidding.
Good night, all. It's been great. We'll see you in the next video, okay? I'm gonna head out.
We now have an ex, Mr. Chaos.
No, second choice, Mr. Chaos, apparently.
Just kidding. I'm done laughing. I'm done.
Mm-hmm. All right. Oh, great. Sandy, you're not giving me much hope here, okay?
I'll be nice this time. I'll be nice.
I don't think so.
I will. Watch.
Are you with somebody rich and boring? Or poor and interesting?
I would settle for poor and interesting, but clearly that's not an option. I couldn't hold it in. I couldn't hold it in. I say poor and interesting. Rich and boring, no. Money's not everything.
Yes, money is just not everything, Muffy. No. No. No, Muffy. Mm-hmm.
Second choice.
She wonders. She wonders, I tell you. All right, let's skip on to the next one here. Number 5, have a maid, a chef, or a chauffeur?
A maid.
Yeah.
That doesn't judge me for the way my house looks, because guys, my house is bad. Bad.
Yeah, maid would be wonderful.
A non-judgmental maid.
Yeah. I mean, we're already chefs, so yeah. And chauffeurs, we're chauffeurs, and we're showing our kids around everywhere. So yeah, a maid, because we can't get our kids to clean. So
No.
yeah. All right. Have a soulmate or a life partner?
Soulmate.
Soulmate. Yeah. Yeah. I don't need a soulmate definitely. Okay. All right.
I didn't say anything.
Get $4,000 a week for now for the rest of your life, or $1 million now, or $1 million now. So $4,000 a week for the rest of your life, or $1 million right now.
4,000 for
Yeah.
the rest of my life.
Yeah, because that's going to be way more than $1 million. I mean, 52 weeks, you're already talking. I think that's $200,000. So in 5 years, you would have $1 million.
Okay.
Again, math, and it's Monday. I don't do math well on Mondays. No. All right, number 8. Unlimited wealth, but mediocre health, or outstanding health, but very little money.
outstanding health and very little money, because money isn't everything.
Exactly. Yep. That's an easy one. Eternal wealth or superpowers?
Eternal wealth.
Really? I'd say superpowers. Well, I guess it depends on what superpower I have. I mean, if it was like psychic ability, I could figure out what the lottery numbers were, and then I'm going to have eternal wealth regardless.
You don't want your money from cheating.
It wouldn't be cheating.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Superpowers, yes, it would.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and if I had super strength, I could like do arm wrestling contests and stuff like that. Win money that way. Yeah. All right, number 10. Be granted 10 wishes to give someone else, or 20 wishes for yourself, and you can't give it to someone else.
10 wishes for somebody else.
Yeah, I would say so. Yeah. All right, well, that's it. That's 10.
Oh.
Yep.
Gee, that was quick.
Yeah, and painful.
I'm fine.
Yeah, I bet you are. Turd.
I'm a little bit sad for missed opportunities. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
The abuse I take.
Me
For
too.
your guys' enjoyment.
Me too.
Mm-hmm.
Are we done?
I hope so at this point.
Yeah, we'll be done, guys.
Yep.
So we're going to go ahead and tag a couple people of our own. I'm going to tag Anna over at Anna's Journey to a Healthier Lifestyle. I'm going to tag Suzy Bowie over at Suzy's Health Journey. And then Mary, if you are feeling any better. If not, I completely understand. But we're going to tag Mary over at Mary Gets Fit, just in case she's feeling up to it. So real quick, guys, before we end the video, if you haven't already, if you give us a thumbs up, we'd really appreciate it. It really helps let YouTube know that you guys are enjoying our content and helps them to promote our videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family, which, guys, gets us one step closer to that 800 subscriber giveaway that I have been talking to you guys about for quite a while now. We are almost there. We're getting closer every single day. I truly appreciate every single one of you guys and all of your support. If you're not a member of our YouTube family and you enjoy chaos and craziness and, you know, whatever, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. We'd love the chance to get to know you better. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.